Welcome to Smart Biz and Tech for Zishapu. Today, we're diving into 5 innovative AI tools that can literally save you hours every week. In a world where every minute counts, these smart solutions are built to streamline your work, whether you're crafting presentations, generating content, managing customer interactions, or creating engaging videos. Let's jump in and explore how you can reclaim your time. Beautiful. AI, have you ever spent countless hours wrestling with slide layouts and design details? Beautiful.ai changes the game by using advanced AI algorithms to automatically adjust every element of your presentation. Simply select a template, add your content, and let the tool handle the alignment, spacing, and overall visual balance. This means you get a professional, cohesive deck in a fraction of the time. You can skip the tedious tweaking and focus on delivering your message with confidence. ChatGPT. Next up is ChatGPT, one of the most advanced language models available. Imagine instantly transforming a rough idea into a complete draft for your blog posts, social media updates, or video outlines. ChatGPT handles the heavy lifting by generating well-structured content from your prompts, which means you can say goodbye to writer's block. With more time on your hands, you can refine your ideas and add that personal touch to make your content truly stand out. Manicat, for businesses looking to enhance customer engagement without the constant back and forth, Manicat offers a dynamic solution. This AI-driven chatbot automates repetitive customer service tasks like answering FAQs and managing appointment scheduling. By setting up intuitive conversational flows, Manicat ensures your customers receive prompt 24/7 responses. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also frees up valuable time that can be redirected to strategic growth initiatives. HubSpot. HubSpot is a powerhouse for smart, AI-enhanced marketing and customer relationship management. Its intuitive platform analyzes customer behavior, tracking clicks, site visits, and purchase history to personalize your email marketing campaigns. By automating segmentation and drip campaigns, HubSpot delivers tailored communications at just the right moment. The result? Higher engagement, improved conversions, and a massive reduction in the manual labor of managing customer relationships. Lumen 5 content creation is evolving, and Lumen 5 is at the forefront of that revolution. This tool automatically converts your written content, such as blog posts or scripts, into visually captivating videos. Lumen 5 uses natural language processing to identify key points in the text and pairs them with relevant visuals, transitions, and music. This means you can generate professional-looking videos in minutes, perfect for repurposing existing content and reaching broader audiences without needing extensive video editing skills. In conclusion, these 5 AI tools Beautiful.ai, ChatGPT, Manicat, HubSpot, and Lumen 5 are transforming the way we work by automating routine tasks and allowing you to focus on what truly matters: innovating, engaging your audience, and growing your business. By integrating these solutions into your daily workflow, you're not just saving time, you're empowering your creative and strategic evolution. If you found these insights valuable, let us know which tool excites you the most in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to SmartBiz and Tech for Zishapu for more tips on working smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.